Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to send money from PayPal to Dolarapp. This allows you to transfer funds quickly and safely for spending, saving, or converting to local currency. Let's get started. First, log into your Dolarapp account. Open the Dolarapp app or website and sign in with your credentials. Make sure your account is verified to receive transfers. Next, select the option to receive money. Go to the Receive or Top Up section and choose PayPal as your funding source. Dolarapp will display the necessary instructions or account details. Then, log into your PayPal account. Use the PayPal app or website and access your wallet. Make sure your account has sufficient balance for the transfer. After that, initiate the transfer. Enter the Dolarapp account details or email provided, specify the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Next, review the transfer details. Double-check the recipient information, transfer amount, and any applicable fees before finalizing the transaction. Finally, confirm and wait for the funds. Once approved, PayPal will send the money to Dolarapp. You'll receive a notification, and the funds will reflect in your Dolarapp wallet shortly. Quick tips. Always verify the recipient details to avoid sending money to the wrong account. Be aware of any PayPal fees or currency conversion charges. Keep a record of the transaction for future reference. Sending money from PayPal to Dolarapp is simple and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.